Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we have got a head-to-head comparison of two really exciting mid-range phones that are about to hit the market, the POCO X7 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy A56. So if you are looking to upgrade your phone, but you are torn between these two, stick around. We are diving deep into the specs, the features, and everything you need to know to make an informed decision. Let's kick things off with the design. First up, the POCO X7 Pro. Whether you are going for the global version or the India-only variant, this phone is built to last with a Gorilla Glass 7i front, and either a plastic or eco-leather back. And if you are someone who worries about durability, the global models got IP68 water and dust resistance, meaning it can handle up to 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes. The India version actually pushes that up to IP69, making it a bit more resistant to water damage. Pretty solid, right? So, to wrap it up. If you want faster performance, a brighter display, and ultra-fast charging, the POCO X7 Pro is a clear winner. But, if you are all about a more premium design, a triple camera setup, and a solid brand reputation, the Samsung Galaxy A56 might be the way to go. Which one are you leaning towards? Let me know in the comments below. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth comparisons like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. If you want raw performance and faster storage, the POCO X7 Pro definitely holds the edge here. Next, let's talk cameras. The POCO X7 Pro features a 50MP wide camera with OIS and a 8MP ultra-wide. It also has a 20MP selfie camera, which is great for detailed shots. And it supports 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, so you can capture some seriously high-quality footage. Over to the Samsung Galaxy A56, you are getting a 50MP wide camera, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 5MP macro camera. For selfies, it has a 12MP front camera. You also get 4K video recording, but only up to 30 frames per second. The POCO X7 Pro takes the win here for video recording capabilities and the higher-res selfie camera. But if you want a macro lens, the Samsung Galaxy A56 has that additional feature. Now, let's get into battery life. The POCO X7 Pro packs a 6000 mAh battery on the global version, and a slightly larger 6550 mAh battery on the India-only variant. And the best part? It supports 90W wired charging, meaning you can go from 0 to 100% in just about 42 minutes. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy A56 comes with a 5000 mAh battery and supports 45W wired charging. So, it's not as big in terms of battery size, and its charging speed is a little slower than the POCO. Clearly, the POCO X7 Pro has the upper hand when it comes to charging speed and battery size. Alright, so what about pricing? The POCO X7 Pro is available for around $354 or €319.99, which is pretty solid for all the features it packs in. As for the Samsung Galaxy A56, we do not have an official price just yet, but I expect it to be in a similar range, maybe a bit higher, considering its premium build. Now, on the other side, we have the Samsung Galaxy A56. This one is rocking a Gorilla Glass Victus Plus front and a glass back, with an aluminum frame for a more premium feel. It's also rated IP67, which is great but slightly less water resistant than the POCO X7 Pro. So, while both phones are water resistant, the POCO X7 Pro might have the upper hand if you are looking for a little extra durability. Now, let's talk screens. The POCO X7 Pro comes with a gorgeous AMOLED display, boasting a 120Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, and HDR10+ support. It has a resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, and it can get super bright, hitting 1400 nits on the regular and up to a crazy 3200 nits peak for those really bright moments. Compare that to the Samsung Galaxy A56, which also sports a Super AMOLED display, but with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+. The resolution here is 1080 x 2340 pixels, and it peaks at 1000 nits brightness. It's still a beautiful screen, but it's not quite as bright or sharp as the POCO X7 Pro. So, if you are after a brighter, sharper display, the POCO X7 Pro takes the win here. Performance-wise, let's break it down. The POCO X7 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra chipset. It's a beast, built on a 4nm process with a high-end octa-core CPU and Mali G720MC7 GPU. Plus, it has up to 12GB of RAM with UFS 4.0 storage, meaning you're getting lightning-fast speeds and top-notch multitasking performance. The Samsung Galaxy A56, on the other hand, comes with the Exynos 1580 chipset, which is also built on a 4nm process, but it's a little less powerful than the Dimensity chip. The A56 also offers up to 12GB RAM, but it uses UFS 2.1 storage, so while it's still fast, it's not quite as fast as what the POCO X7 Pro can offer.